50 years, and no one's ever escaped from New Folsom. But we broke it open in an afternoon.
I can hardly believe we pulled it off.
You guys did good. Now me and my Spectres will finish the job. We'll kill Minsk and burn his dominion to the ground.
Overthrowing Mengsk is just the start. This is about building a better tomorrow. Don't you see? We just released every scientist, philosopher, and free thinker that ever challenged Mengsk's rule. That was our real victory today.
You really that naive? Tomorrow there'll be a new Minsk, and another one after that. Your great shining dream of the future is just an illusion.
So if it's all so bleak, why are you here, Tosh? What do you get out of all this?
Same thing as you, brother. I don't quit till Minsk is dead.
Vengeance doesn't factor into this. Our revolution's about freedom.
You'll see that better future, Matt. But it ain't for the likes of us. I took a big chance with you and your Spectres, Tosh. I hope Nova wasn't right about you.
Don't go believing that little girl's lies. The Spectre procedure affects everyone differently. But we're all still human. It's our choice whether to become Spectres. Not hers, not yours, and not Minsk's. Choice be the only true freedom anyone gets.
But can I trust him? Can I trust you?
Don't you worry, none. We'll fight for you right to the end. All my brothers and sisters, we owe you everything.
Thought you'd want to hear. Tosh is officially thrown in with our little revolution. He's gonna lend us his Spectres to help out.
You sure got a soft spot for wayward psychics, Jimmy. Setting those freaks loose ain't smart. Old Meg's got them locked up for a reason.
Mengsk locked them up because they were just weapons to him. They deserve a shot at living their lives outside a cage, just like anyone else.
Breaking news. Reports coming in today suggest... What's that? We're going to Kate, but
The Dominion's highest value prisoners are loose tonight after a daring raid broke open New Folsom Prison. Dominion security forces are on high alert as some of the prisoners were former members of Project Shadowblade, which we've discovered to be a subversive offshoot of the Dominion's Ghost program. A number of political dissidents were also freed during the attack.
Do we know who did this, Kate? Was it Raynor's Raiders?
The evidence we have suggests it was, Donnie.
There you have it. Jim Raynor, making our world just a little more dangerous tonight. From the UNN studios on Core Hall, I'm Donnie Vermillion.
More dangerous for the real bad guys, Donnie. You should be worried.
That Tosh character gave me the data for building more Spectre gear. You sure we can trust that guy? I heard he was into brainwashing or something.
Tosh can only recruit volunteers to become Spectres. That's the deal. He works them hard so they won't go off the rails when they get their full Spectre powers. No brainwashing involved.
Good to know. Wouldn't want any of those freaks running loose causing trouble. Aside from Tosh, that is.
Most days, I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. Just chasing my damn tail.
No. We followed your lead from the start. It's your sense of justice that's kept us on this road.
Matt, my interest in justice burned out a long time ago. I've spent my whole life fighting. I've killed. I've ordered good men to their deaths. And for what? Finishing this thing with Mengsk. It's all I have left. It's guys like you that'll build something better after all the smoke clears.
That's because you gave us something to believe in, sir. I'll never give up the fight. That's a promise.
Seems your Queen of Blades figured out who's been paying us to snatch up all them artifacts. Mobius's head honcho, Dr. Narud, claims the Zerg are attacking his main research campus on Tirador. He can't evacuate his people until all their artifact research is safe.
Commander Rayner, thank the stars you've come. You had a sterling reputation as a marshal many years ago, and I know you'll do your best to help us.
Yeah, well, that was all a long time ago, Doctor. Looks like you've got one heck of a Zerg problem here. Where do you need us?
We're ready to evacuate, but none of the teams I sent to purge the Foundation data cores have reported back. I need you to destroy those cores before the Queen of Blades finds them and discovers the coordinates of the remaining artifacts. The fate of the entire sector could hang in the balance.
Class 12 psi pattern detected. Recommend extreme caution.
Kerrigan. All right then, Doc. Our timetable's shorter than we thought. We gotta move.
In the rear. Big job, huh?
Analysis of the Queen of Blades search pattern complete. Calculating her ETA to the closest data core now.
You can't leave well enough alone, can you, Jim? It was stupid of you to come here.
I don't plan on staying long, darling. But I'll be damned before I let you get hold of those artifacts.
I'm giving you control of our medevacs, Commander. You can use them to transport your men around the city and avoid most of the Zerg.
Ready for dust-off. Talk to me.
The Raiders are here. We're saved. Who wants some?
Picking up or dropping off? On my way.
Over here! Up on the roof!
Yeah.
Raiders! Raiders! Get us out of here! Roger that.
That's one down. Keep it moving, boys.
Of course. The Mobius data cores. You won't get the rest of them.
Ah, hell. At least she doesn't know where to find the other cores. We better get to the next one fast.
So,
Add-on. complete.
This better be good. We could use some help here.
In the rear with the gear.
Brutalisk. Stedman wanted one of those things to research. Reckon we can oblige him.
Not enough minerals.
SCV ready. Hey, over here!
Sir, you better do something about that Nidus worm before our base gets overrun.
SCV ready.
Not enough minerals.
Why not? SCV ready. By the number.
Not enough minerals.
Gangway. SCV ready.
Not enough minerals.
Go ahead. This better. SCV ready. Who wants some? What's going on?
Not enough minerals.
SCV ready. It's your time.
Add-on complete.
SCV ready.
Systems functional.
SCV ready. Huh? Go!
Not enough minerals.
This better be good. SCV ready. Hear me. I can't build here. We hear you. Big job, huh? Gotcha. SCV ready. Who wants some? Go ahead.
Now what?
SCV ready.
Dropping off.
Let's you drop by. I'm for the wall now. Come and go.
Acknowledged. Understood. In the 5x5.
We could use some help here.
Base is under attack.
Gangway, coming through. Who wants some? We could use some help here. By the numbers, boy. This better be good. 10-4. Why not? Go!
Ready for pickup?
Hey, man! Could use some help down here! We couldn't reach the data cores! Help us out!
Upgrade complete.
Ah! You scared me! Move it! Gotcha! Good kid! Who wants some?
Waiting on you.
Yes? The orders? This better be good. By the number. Yes? Armed? Good kid, you nigga. Gateway, coming through. Aye, aye. Outstanding.
I've seen through your Dr. Narud's pathetic charade. I know what the artifacts really are. And they will be mine.
Whatever they are, Kerrigan, I sure as hell ain't letting you have them.
That Queen of Blades really is quite a nuisance, isn't she?
Don't leave me hanging. Gangway, coming through.
Okay. Easy.
Now what? Understood.
Upgrade complete.
You never could recognize a lost cause, could you, Jin?
Sir, another Nidus worm has emerged close to our base.
Been waiting on you.
Light flight here.
This better. Armed and ready. Been waiting on you. Just say, come on.
Yeah?
Go, go, go!
Okay.
Big job, huh? Aye, I'm going. Yup, this better be good. Yes, sir. SCV ready.
Upgrade.
SCV ready.
Mineral field depleted.
Yeah? Okay.
SCV ready.
Mineral field depleted.
Gangway, Hey, hey, over here!
Easy.
Marines! We are leaving! Hey, Raiders! Come pick us up! The Raiders are here! We're saved! Boy. Armed and ready.
You're even more desperate than I thought. You can't really believe this plan of yours has even a chance of working.
Upgrade complete.
Ah! You scared me! You're the boss!
Yeah? Easy.
You want a piece of me, boy? By the number.
Nick.
You gonna give me orders? Affirmative. This better be good. Sure. Stand ready.
Mineral field depleted. Our SCVs are under attack.
Big job. Go, go, go.
Upgrade complete. Mineral field depleted. Mineral field depleted.
Go, go, go.
I don't get you, Nicholson. Yeah?
Mineral field depleted.
Confirmed. The final data core has been destroyed. We should evacuate immediately.
Armed and ready. Aye, aye, sir.
All right, Doctor. You want to tell me why the Queen of Blades wants these artifacts so damn bad?
She fears their power, just as she fears the Xel'Naga who created them. The Xel'Naga created both the Protoss and the Zerg, Commander. They were the gods of their